In a masterstroke of modern hybrid warfare, Iran executed a bold four-layered operation, Silent Swarm, to breach the seemingly impenetrable Iron Dome. It began in silence, with a precision cyber attack that blinded Israel's radar systems, injecting confusion and false targets into the network. As digital shadows danced across Israeli screens, hundreds of low-tech rockets rained down from Lebanon and Gaza, not to cause damage, but to overwhelm and exhaust the Iron Dome's interceptors. Then came the real assault. AA-guided kamikaze drones, cloaked in stealth and chaos, pierced radar blind spots and surgically destroyed key Iron Dome command centers and ammunition depots. With the defense grid fractured, Iran unleashed its final move, hypersonic missiles screaming through the night sky, targeting strategic military infrastructure with devastating precision. Within an hour, the myth of Iron Dome's invincibility was broken, not by brute force, but by a smart symphony of deception, saturation, and technological disruption.